왜입니까? 왜입니까? What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 왜입니까? Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 257. 왜입니까? This is read as a four-syllable word. The first syllable is we, second syllable is im, although it is written as ip or ib. This is pronounced as im because it is followed by a nian character on the third syllable, which is ni. Again, this is pronounced as a four-syllable word. The first syllable is we, second syllable is im, third syllable is ni, and fourth syllable is ka. 왜입니까? The word 왜입니까 is simply just the formal way of asking why. Again, this is the formal way of asking why. This has the same meaning as we and 왜요, and it only differs with the formality. Once again, 왜입니까 is the formal way of asking why. Again, 왜입니까 is the formal version of we and 왜요. We is already discussed on this channel. It means why, but this is considered 반말 or an informal way of asking why. If you'd notice, it has no suffix, it's just we. Now to make we polite, we added yo as the suffix, so we becomes 왜요. But please remember that we and 왜요 are just both ways of asking why. But if you needed to be polite, you can use 왜요. Now, our word for today is 왜입니까? If you'd notice, there is an 입니까 suffix instead of yo. So it's we plus 입니까, and 입니까 is added to make it formal. So again, we, 왜요, 왜입니까, all of these are used to ask why, but they are used on different situations. We is used when you are trying to be informal, 왜요 is used when you're trying to be polite, but still casual, and 왜입니까 is used when you had to ask why in a formal manner. It is also important to remember the suffix because this could also be applied to the other questions in Korean. So if you would notice that a question has a yo at the ending, it's considered polite. But if it has 입니까 at the ending, it is considered formal. Now, how do we write 왜입니까 in Hangul? This is composed of four syllables. The first syllable is we. This is written by drawing first a no sound or a placeholder iyang, followed by an o character, followed by an e character. The second syllable, im, is actually written as ip. So it is composed of a no sound iyang, an e character, and a biup character. But as mentioned earlier, since biup is followed by a nian character, as you can see at the third syllable, it will become im. So it will be pronounced as im instead of ip. The third syllable ni is written by drawing first a nian character and an e character. And the last syllable ka is written by drawing first a sanggiak or a double giak character and an a character. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these four syllables to form the hangul of the word 왜입니까. And again, remember 왜입니까 is a formal way of asking why. And with that, you've just learned 왜입니까. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 247 to 256. But don't forget our word for today, word number 257, 왜입니까, which is the formal way of asking why. The first word for our review is word number 256, Cheonmaneyo, which means call me. Word number 255 is 왜요. This is the polite and casual way of asking why. Word number 254 is 안 가요, which means not going or to not go. Word number 253 is 안 매워요, which means not spicy. Word number 252 is 전화, which means telephone. Word number 251 is 얼마나, and this is used to indicate the degree or intensity of a description. Word number 250 is 매워요, which means spicy. Word number 249 is 내다. This is a verb which means to pay. Word number 248 is 얼마예요? This is used to ask, how much is this? And the last word for our review, word number 247, 헐. This is a Korean slang used to say no way or oh goodness. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.